Hello everyone, welcome to the last video in this part 3 series about Flow AI. So if you are wondering if you haven't watched the previous videos, I'll put the link in this video and the description. And this last part is going to be about the last feature which I'll introduce in Flow AI, which is ingredient to video. So what it means that you can use images and you can convert those into videos directly, which I'll show you shortly. And there is one more important note. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel as it supports me a lot so that I can keep making videos on AI tools just like this. Thank you in advance. So let's move on. Let's click on create with flow, then log in with your account. Click on new project, and so you can create images for the ingredients through this feature, which is create image. And over here you have to put your prompt for the image, and it will use nanobanana to create the image, or you can just use image gen 4 if it is something which will prefer over nano banana, or else keep it as the same. And the output will be 4. That means that based on our prompt it will create 4 different images which are related to our prompt. So let's click on next. So here are our images. You can select whichever you prefer, and you can click on edit if you want to edit the image, or else you can keep it as the same. And once you create the image, you have to select add to prompt, so it gets selected in our prompt as we create the video from the first to last frame. You can select whichever image you prefer based on your prompt and based on your video requirements. And let's move forward, saying the as we have selected ingredients to video feature, which I'm going to show right now. You can use multiple images as per your preference if you want to, but I'll just select only one, and I'll write the prompt for the video. The prompt here is: the character from the reference image is sitting at a minimalistic wooden desk, smiling as they type enthusiastically on a glowing keyboard. The camera slowly orbits around the character from left to right. Warm window light, medium shot, and high resolution. It is showing that currently this feature isn't supported on Veo 3.1 quality model right now. Maybe it's going through some update or some patches on the back end, so that's why it's not available right now. So what we'll do is we'll move forward with Veo 3.1 fast model, but bear in mind that the video quality will not be that good. But for now I'll show you how ingredients to video work. So click on next. Also, you can change the aspect ratio to be portrait if you want the video to be in portrait. What portrait means is it will be in the resolution of YouTube short or like an Instagram story, and it has created our video. As you can see, the quality is a bit on the lower side, but it's not that bad. So let's run the video. So it ran 2 times. I was actually amazed by how the character is very consistent, and it's not looking like a video which is created by AI. As you can see, wow, this is pretty good. This actually feels natural. So let's try another prompt. So to create another image, you have to once again go into create image feature, and then create your image. Or else if you already have some images created, you can just upload those over here by using the upload feature, where you can browse your computer and select the image which you want to use in your video. So for now, I'll just show creating the image using prompt over here and then creating a video based on it. So this is going to be an advanced video which will be created based on this image. So let's keep the output to 4 and click on generate. These are our previous images which we have created. This, I think so, Google Flow is lagging a bit because I think so it's going through development or updates right now. So it's a bit buggy currently, but it should be fixed in some due time. We'll once again write the prompt and hit generate. Wow, the images are also pretty good. Obviously, they will be good because Nano Banana as a model has been used to create these images. So yeah, the images are really in high quality, as you can see. So I'll use this image to convert it into a video. So I'll just click on add to prompt. And also one important thing, you can use this completely free, which means that you can download it and use it as per your commercial use. You can also download the video completely for free, but bear in mind there comes a credit based system. So what it means that whenever you create an image or a video, 20 credits will be removed from your account, AI credits, when you generate new videos. So you can also upgrade to get new credits, but it is as per you right now. For free, you are granted 200 AI credits when you first log in into Flow. So yeah. So now I'll just choose this image for the video and I'll write my prompt over here. This is going to be an advanced prompt. Let's see how it converts the video. So the prompt is a hand with torn weather gloves gently sets the bar compass from the reference image onto a rough, dusty map spread out on a wooden barrel. A single powerful beam of light streams down from above, casting deep shadows. Film noir aesthetic, extreme close up on the compass, high contrast. So let's click on, oh wait a second, we have to change this feature from create image to ingredients to video. And now we'll click on generate. Currently, as I'm recording the video, Flow is not working that good. It's a little buggy. There are some issues, maybe because they are updating it or some new development has is been going on in the backend. So yeah. So the video has been created. Let's check it out. It looks pretty good. Let's run it in full screen. Well, as you can see, there is a little error as it removes the compass, but it converts into a lid. It doesn't look right. We can tweak the prompt if you want, but due to the prompt given, it created a bit of mistake while creating the video. But As you can see, it's pretty good still. As at the end of the day, it is all based on prompt. So like if you write a really good prompt for the video, it will create a really amazing one. So at the end of the day, it's always about the prompt, how detailed you gave it to convert it into a video. But still, it's pretty good. As you can see, the quality is really nice. And often with AI, there are always some inaccuracies and mistakes. So yeah. So that's it from my side. I have covered all the features over here, from text to video to frames to video to ingredients to video. And this is a new feature where it just, as I've already shown you this, you can create images here using your prompt. And if you want to create new videos, I would prefer that you use this create image feature to create the image as per your prompt. The more detailed your prompt is, the better the image is going to be, as it uses the nano banana model, which is really good. And once you create the image, you use the add to prompt feature, and then by using that, you can choose the frames to video or the ingredients to video and convert it into a amazing video. And there is one more feature where you can add to scene, which means that you can click over here, and then once again click on this extend, and you can write what happens next over here. For So what this means is you can convert this 8-second video into a longer one using prompts over here, which is really pretty good. This can be done using add to scene button. So yeah, that's it from my side. I hope you all enjoyed the video, and I hope you liked the tutorial. Also, kindly like and subscribe to my channel, as I'll be covering more AI tools in the future. Thank you.